Dodge unveiled a special edition model of the Challenger Redeye Widebody last year called the Challenger Superstock. The car comes with the famous 6.2-litre V8 supercharged HEMI engine that churns out over 800 horses. Hennessey brought this car over to its factory and equipped it with the HPE1000 Performance Upgrade package. The result? 1000 plus horses on paper, but around 800 horses on the dyno. In Hennessey's defense, it is still more than the Challenger Superstock's dyno figures. How much more power does the HPE1000 package supplement? The Challenger Superstock in the stock condition makes 807 horses and 707 pound-feet of twist from its 6.2-litre V8 supercharged HEMI engine. Power is sent to the rear wheels via an 8-speed torque-flight automatic gearbox. Hennessey equipped the HPE1000 Performance Upgrade package that bumps up these figures to 1035 horses at 6500 rpm and 948 pound-feet of torque at 4200 rpm. A dyno test, however, revealed that the car lays down 810 horses and 732 pound-feet of twist at the rear wheels. These figures are 110 rear wheel horsepower and 84 pound-feet of rear wheel torque more than the standard model. The standard Superstock takes 3.25 seconds to sprint to 60 miles per hour from rest, but Hennessey hasn't revealed the figures for this one yet. It will certainly be quicker, perhaps clocking in the whereabouts of 3 seconds. A lot of other modifications in here include lower and upper pulley upgrade, ported supercharger snout, stainless steel long tube headers, high flow catalytic converters, mid pipes, fuel injectors and air induction system, crankcase ventilation system, and HPE calibration upgrade. Are there any changes to the exterior or interior? This package is all about performance upgrades, so there are no changes made to the cabin or the body. A few Hennessey and HPE1000 exterior badges, however, are placed. This isn't a limited edition package, but serial numbered plaques are also pasted. The Challenger Superstock is based on the Redeye Widebody, so it looks exactly the same as that one, but with more performance. Fun fact, have you ever wondered why an 800 plus horsepower beast is called Superstock? The name comes from the Superstock class of vehicles in drag racing. These were essentially sleeper cars, vehicles that look regular but were hardcore racers at heart. Conclusion. This package comes with a 2-year or 24,000 mile warranty. There's no word on the pricing of this package yet. The 2021 Dodge Challenger Superstock sits at the top of the Challenger hierarchy and starts at $82,000 at the time of penning this article. Watch the video below to see and hear it in action. And don't forget that Dodge is already preparing us for the end of supercharged V8 performance.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.